Hello everyone, my name is Scott. Today we're doing a show and tell video. So this is the whole kit. Now this is going to be a kit that is very time consuming because all the pieces need put together. However, everything is made of high quality. I am very impressed with the quality of everything. I've been inspecting this for a couple minutes and all the pieces, like the wood is cut almost perfect, which is pretty crazy when you think about it. So everything is cut really nice. They give you a step-by-step complete instruction guide showing you how to do everything. It's very easy to put together. It's just very time consuming. But it is high quality. I mean, I would say this is probably in the top 5 for quality that I've ever seen in my review career. So very impressed with the quote. I mean, you guys can just take a look. I mean, look at the cut on these pieces. And it's not like one piece. It's, you know, all these pieces are cut really nice. The wood is really nice. Overall, very impressed with these pieces. Very impressed with this kit. They give you everything you need, including the directions and show how.